Meaning of expansionary.
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 Expansionary. The term expansionary is used to describe policies or actions that are aimed at stimulating economic growth. This can be achieved through various measures such as increasing government spending, lowering interest rates, or reducing taxes. The ultimate goal of expansionary policies is to increase the level of aggregate demand within an economy, leading to increased levels of production and employment. However, these policies also carry the risk of inflation if economic growth is not sustainable in the long term, which can have negative consequences for consumers and businesses alike.